Good morning to you everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, NASDAQ, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. So what we had this morning, this is an hourly time frame. So we had a breakout of the pretty much a tight triangle here in the hourly time frame this morning. So market cleared and traded above the tails from yesterday on the hourly time frame, which is just confirmation of the strong upside momentum this morning. So we might even see, we can see here that there is a cluster resistance cluster around the 1.1010 level. Market is pretty much very close to that level. But the next major swing high and the level that we might see in the play is around 1.1040. So this is the level where if we see this momentum and this momentum sustained for a day, for a whole day, then we can see the even retest of 1.1040 mark to be in the play. As long as the market is trading above this rising trend line, and as long as we don't have any major weaknesses and any major drop to take this rising trend line, there is upside pressure and potential for the higher prices. On the gold market, market reached our downside objective around 1914, but what we had here is we have a rising. We started to build a rising trend line. There was a consolidation. It seems like market wants to go higher from this area, and there is a chance for the retest of the recent swing lows around 1923. Let's just put and build some scenarios around. So if this can, hit some bidding even aggressive on 1924 might be in the play. If we can even trade above and hold above, then the 1932 also might be an option for today. In case of the downside continuation, I would like to see the breakdown of 1914, and if market can hold below for lower prices and potential retest of the next downside reference points, which is around 1,900 mark. And now NASDAQ, this is one that I see potential for the rally. Today we traded basically in a very swinging environment. So lots of swings up and down, and this might be the activity which may cause the rally to start. So we can see here that market tried to sell off yesterday, but then market found buyers, and slowly and steady market started to build a higher lows, and we can see the potential rally for today, maybe even the retest of 15,350 or 15,400 mark. If we take a look for example, the daily time frame, we can see that we traded almost in the last 6 days. 5 trading days were down and only 1 day up. So there is a definitely chance for rally and even for the price to rotate back towards this multi-day highs in the background. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, market traded into the pin bar area yesterday. That was our upside objective based on this bull kind of ABC situation here. But what happened here this morning and yesterday is that we got the breakout of this rising trend line, and we also broke the swing lows from here. Market also didn't have a power to do anything significant above this, so this swing low became resistance for today. And as long the market can hold below 30,150 mark, we can expect lower prices. So this kind of scenario might be in the play for the market to complete ABC, and this can lead us to the downside objective around 29,140. And of course, we have a major swing low pin bar area around 28,470 mark. There is also chance for potential ABC, and then price to go lower. That's also another alternative bear scenario. And of course, the upside scenario only if we can trade very aggressively upside and hold above. This will be the upside scenario. that also might be in the play, but for this, based on this condition and the current structure, the downside scenario is more likely for today. But that will be all for this update, guys. Hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.